Now it's me, and now we make the third course is like the word fried noodle. We you can make it very easy in the home. Like you use 1 spoon sweet chili sauce mixed with oyster sauce, 1 spoon, and you mix it well together like this. So you have like the sour and sweet, and a little bit salty for the noodle. So it's here. In the Vietnam, we use a lot of vegetable. So what type of vegetable we can add on is the noodle with the sauce. So it's like one day you could like lazy to cooking something like fish, like chicken. So you have the vegetable in home and you can make it. You just cut like the pieces, the small pieces, and with the noodle and little bit garlic and onion. First thing, you need to make garlic and onion. Make the smell first. After that, you add on the carrot because it's very take time to cooking carrot. After that, some get this. After that, corn, broccoli, and this is the cauliflower. So you put some vegetable first, the hard vegetable, because this needs take time to cook. And before the second course, we have the chicken stock, right? You can add on a little bit. We can do a little bit chicken stock is here, because when the chicken stock and the vegetable they together, they make the smell more stronger, and the taste is very nice for you. When this cooking halfway already, you can put on the leaf vegetable because it is very soft and very fast to cooking. So you put the last, same like this. Okay, now you mix well again. Now you see you have so many color. Now you have the sauce you make before. You just add on here. Mix well. You can see the smell very nice, right? So after that, we use noodle. When we put the noodle, we make the high temperature because the noodle very soft. If you want more like the water, you can put some chicken stock and a little bit sauce more. But with me, it's fine. I don't need to make water. So now we done. You see, this very easy. You can make in home when you have a lot of vegetable in home, and also the sauce very easy. And now you serve. And the last one with me is on where I add some spring onion to make the color, to make the more flavor. Yeah, so enjoy. Thank you for watching.
So 3 course.
Yes.
Finish.
Yes.